All right, language explorers. So let's look at this week's preposition, this Sunday preposition. So downstream. Downstream. So down where the river flows. The flow of the river. Yes. Along the river and following the water. Downstream. Yes. I sailed downstream. The log floated downstream in the river. Yeah. The water is going downstream very fast. Yes. Yes. They will need to follow the river downstream. I followed the water downstream to the ocean. Makes sense. He will go downstream to the next harbour, place, town. Yeah. They put that liquid into the water, and it is all going downstream. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, very good. She knows that the water always flows downstream, no other direction. Always and only goes downstream. How cool is that? Yeah. I, he, they, she, it. It will float downstream. Nice. How cool is that? We followed it downstream and found this. We found this downstream from the town. We are planning on going downstream for the adventure. Yes. When we go downstream, we will go to a different town. Yeah. How cool is that? We planned on going downstream. Yeah, because going downstream is faster than going upstream. Upstream, the water's coming this way, downstream, but going upstream, the water's coming towards me and you're going against the water. Yeah, we all went downstream together. Downstream together, yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, so downstream. Now, can you use downstream in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.